Hey there everyone, and welcome to Section 2 of our Facebook Ads 3.0 video training, Facebook Ads Step by Step. This section has been designed to give you a general overview of the Facebook Ads platform and about using it from a practical standpoint. In the previous section, we talked about Facebook, about the elements that make it the ideal social network for both customers and businesses, and about the way it works to make it a unique advertising platform. So in this section, we will show you a Facebook walkthrough, Facebook Ads Manager walkthrough, creating a Facebook page to run ads, promoting a basic page post the right way, creating a basic ad using the Ads Manager. Okay, so let's get started now with the very first step-by-step video, the Facebook walkthrough. Facebook walkthrough. We are pretty sure that you already have a Facebook account and that you know how to use it for basic social networking. But in order to teach you all about the Facebook Ads platform, we also need to give you a complete overview of what you will find inside a Facebook account. And it all starts when you sign into your Facebook account and land on the home page. This is perhaps the part of Facebook that you are the most familiar with. So let's start from here. On the home page, you will have access to several tabs and buttons that will lead you to every other feature offered by your Facebook account. The first thing to note is Facebook's feed, which is where all the most recent updates from friends and pages will be shown to you. Here in the feed is where Facebook ads such as promoted posts will be served as well. Okay, so right on top of the timeline is the post box, which is where you will be able to create your own posts and updates. Note that only page posts are eligible for promotion, but we will show you how to set them up later on. So for now, let's continue with the walkthrough. From this post box, you can also create a photo or video album, or to launch a live video session using the live video feature. Let's now move to the upper right panel. You can access your profile by clicking on the Profile tab with your name and your picture. On your profile, you will be able to see your timeline. To click on About to add and modify your personal info, to click on Friends to manage your contacts, to click on Photos to manage your photos and your photo albums, and to click on More to discover detailed information about the things you have liked and followed on the platform. You can also easily change your profile picture by clicking on the Update Your Profile Picture button under your current profile picture, and to add a cover photo by clicking on the Add a Cover Photo button. Now, by clicking on the Home tab, you can go back to Facebook's homepage. By clicking on the Find Friends tab, you can see your friend requests, your friend recommendations, and to actually look for people on Facebook using detailed filtering options in the Search for Friends box. The icons beside this panel represent your notifications, new friend requests, new messages, and new notifications. The question mark icon is a quick help access, and right beside it, you will find the Account Options menu. By clicking on it, you will be able to see your pages, to create pages, to manage pages, to create and find groups, to create ads and access the Facebook advertising platform, to view your activity log, to set up newsfeed preferences, to access your account settings, and to log out of Facebook. Now on the lower right corner, you will find the Facebook Chat, which is the platform's powerful instant messaging tool. You can click on it to see your online contacts and to click on them to start a chat. And you can easily turn your chat off when busy with your marketing tasks. Let's now look at the left side menu on the home page. This menu features several shortcuts to basically every feature available on Facebook, including groups, events, games, live video, pages feed, saved, buy and sell groups, and explore feed, among others. Lastly, you will be able to use the search bar on top to use Facebook as a search engine. You will simply have to enter a keyword in it and then to either click on the search button or to click on any of the suggestions based on the keyword that you entered. Once in the search results page, you will be able to refine your search by posts, people, photos, videos, shop, pages, places, groups, apps, events, and links. And you can filter your results according to criteria unique to each type of results, such as filtering by category if you refine your search using pages. As you can see, Facebook is a pretty powerful platform that you can use for more than everyday social networking. In the following video, we will be taking you on a real-time tour of the Facebook Ads Manager account inside your Facebook account. So tune in.